Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to measure distance in Google Maps. So first of all, go ahead and open up your own Google Maps, and as you can see right here, this is the interface of the app. Let's say for example I want to point out to a place, let's say for example right here. Okay, so I'm gonna just hold right here for this location, and you're gonna see right here like a window opening up for me. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just click right here, measure distance. So I'm gonna just click on it, and basically you're gonna measure from your location to another location. So I'm gonna just go ahead right here into adding a point. So I'm gonna just move along right here, let's say right here, add a point, right, and just move on from the point that you added to another, let's say, let me zoom in a little bit and just put like right here. Okay, and I'm gonna just add a point, and I'm gonna just move on again right here. And if you want to zoom in a little bit to get a better sight, you can just do that and just move along to that place. Let's say for example right here, add a point, and you're gonna see 3 kilometers approximately, and just move on like maybe right here and just add a point, and the same goes for everyone. Okay, and after you add the point, you're gonna see right here 4.659 or 4.659 kilometers. All right, let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.